Hi guys. Well, I got I got the floor waxed. It needs another coat though. But I don't have any money. So, and I got most of everything moved out of here and cleaned. The soaps are going to stay, of course. And maybe they'll be nice and let me keep my little water pick thing there. But I got the shower clean. The floors are clean. They've already started moving stuff over. I freaked out. I said, I thought I had till Sunday. I don't have the floors ready. But I ran out of wax, so geez. Hopefully Gene will buy some. And if he doesn't, well, I'm gonna be a little disappointed because I wanted to, put a layer of protection down on the floor. And I wanted it to look as little depressing as possible. So now all I have left is cleaning up the laundry room, which won't take long at all. And I'm done. Oh, my laundry. I'm going to get all that done tomorrow. So, there you go. Bye.